Okay, let's do our first part. And for this one, and remember, in the class I said is like find what place and to the left or right, and then move the point and what place and to left or right. If you find like left place, move to left. If you find the right place, to the right. Okay, let's look at the first one. The first one is cm to the unit. Okay, so it's 2 places to the left, so we move 1 2, so we write it 70 b for from k kilo to the unit, so it's 1 2 3 to the right, it's 1 2 3, and then we write here it's this one. C is kilo to center, so it's 1 2 3 4 5. It's 1 2 3 4 5, and the decimal point is here. It's 1 2 3 4 5. So decimal point is here. If we can write this 2 3 4 5. It's this way, and we can write in the scientific notification. This is easy. So we just move our point 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it's 1.4 times 10 raised to the power of 6. And d, and from millimeter to centimeter, so this is millimeter for centimeter, just 1, so it's just 1 is 7. And for e, for unit to centimeter, so it's 1 2 1 2, so it's 6 5 23. And for f is millimeter to meter, so for this one it's millimeter. For here e 1 2, so it's 1 2 3, so it's your decimal point 1 2 3 0 point, so it's like this one, so it's 1 2 3 4 5, so it's 4 times to negative 5. Okay, g is unit to kilo, so it's 1 2 3 3 to the left, so this one is 1 2 3 0.00, so it's, and then if we write in the scientific notation is 1 2 3 4, so 8.8 times 8 10 to the negative 4. And h, and for the h it's centimeter to millimeter, centimeter to millimeter, 1 to the right, so it's 1 to the right, so 27 3.9. And for I, so I is micro and 2 millimeters, so it's 1 2 3 to the left, 0.00076736, and then it's 1 2 3 4 7.36 times 10 times raised to the power of negative 4. And for 29, and for next one, and the giga to kilo, and so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6.1 2 3 4 5 6, so it's 29. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we can write in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and k, this is nanometer to the micrometer, so it's 1 2 3 1 2 3, so it's 5.83. And the last one is megameter to the giga, so it's 1 2 3 to the left, so it's 1 2 3 to the left is this, and then we change 1 2 3 2.17 times negative 3. Okay, next one. So next one we just change the unit. Okay, so but the same things. Okay, and okay, let's look at this one. The first one is kilo. Kilo is kilo to unit, so it's 1 2 3, so it's 1 2 3 1 2 3, so it's 5 2 0 0 0. And the b is miller to the unit, so let's see, So it's 1, 2, 3 to the left. Is 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it's 0.891. And this one C is from unit to centimeters. So it's C is from unit to centi. So it's 1, 2, 2. So it's 8, 5, 20. It's from milli to centi. So it's just to the left. It's 1 to the left. So it's 2.7. E is from kilo to unit. So it's kilo to unit. So it's 2, 3. We move is 1, 2, 3. So it's 987.5. The F is from G unit to kilo. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left is 4.257. For G, so this is from giga to mega. The 1, 2, 3 is 0.123 0, 0, 0, so it's 89000. From nano to centi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 0, 6, 7, 2, 3. Okay. Number 7. And for this part, for unit analysis, and for this one, and we need to write the first things is the factor, convention factor, and the second one is given, and for this one is the original part. The third, the one is the convention. Let's use the first one, and for the kilogram from kilometers to meters. So this one is 1 kilometers equals to 1,000 meters. So this one is factor. Then for given is 3.7. So we write the first fraction, and it's original unit at the top or on the top is numerator, so we can write here one, and the second one is the second fraction. For the numerator is per unit to cancel. If this one fits to cancel, we need to write this one can cancel for here, so kilometers, and the other unit is meters, and then the number 8, 2. I mean, the number for here is for factors, and for front factor, this is 1, this is 1,000, and then we can cancel kilometers is equals to 370. So the answer is 30. And B for centimeters, 1 centimeters equals to 10 millimeters. And then the first things we write, the first part is 77500 cm divide 1. This is the first fraction. The second one we write the cancel unit, we write here, and then the other one is millimeters, we write on the top, and then we write the associate the numbers next to the unit. So it's 10 and 1, and then we cancel this one. It equals to 77500 and one more 0. And C is, this is this is milliliters, so this is liters. So it's 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliter. And then the first write the original like this one, and times, and we need to cancel milliliter, so at bottom and liter right top, and then write the number associated with the unit, and then we cancel this one, and then we cancel here. So this is 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's point like this. No one. It's this one. Last one, 1 meter equals to 1,000 millimeter. And then we write the original one on the top times, and then we write the unit cancel m, and the rest one mm on the top, and then we put a number associated with unit here, and then when we cancel the unit, it equals to and 33100. Okay, and let's do number 8. Number 8 is 1 kilometer equals to, and for here, if so, for this one, we can have two ways. And if you can just write 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So you can use write in this way, or you can just write, if you know from the number line, you can just 1 kilometer equals to 1. You can write in this way. So this both are okay. So for the first way, let's write. For the first way, you can write in this way times, and then for here we can write so kilogram, and the other one is meters. And then this is 1,000. And then for the third one, because the meter is on the top, we need to cancel. We just canceled kilometers, so we need to cancel meters. So we need to write meters at the bottom, and then it equals to like this. But if we use the second way, you can just write the same. Okay. And then for number B, is 1 meter equals to 1,000 millimeter, and 1 kilometer equals to 1,000, and then we can rewrite it this way times and the millimeter meter, and it's 1,000 times 1 and then times again, and then it's 1,000 again, and then what the answer is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we cancel this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 0. So 0.034. And then next one, and for the millimeters and micrometer. And 1 millimeter equals to 1,000 and micrometer. So this is the answer. And for this one, for last one, is megameter to the gigameter. So this is 1 gigameter equals to 1,000 megameter, and then it's 1. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 0.1628. For number 9, this is 2 units, and from in the class I said, now we need to have the third fraction and the third fraction. And for the third fraction, it's kind of like do the same. Then this is the unit. Please cancel the other unit. And then for this part, we need to write 2 letters. Okay. The first one is m and the kilogram. Kilometers is for 1 kilometers equals to 1,000, and the second one is second for minute equals to 60 seconds. And then we write is divide 1 second in this way, and then the first one is for m 1,000 and 1 kilo times s is at the bottom, so we write s at the top and minutes at the bottom, and then this is 60 and this is 1. Okay, so the answer, and then we cancel these things, and the rest is key. And then the answer is 0.4. Okay, and second one is 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters, and for 1 hour equals to 3,600 seconds. If you don't know this one, is 1 hour equals to 60 meters, and 1 meters equals to 60 seconds. So if you, for these two, you times at least this one. We just use this one, the first. So it's 8.4 m divided 1s times for the m 1,000, and this is 1 km times 3,600 as the 1 hour, and then we just cancelled all the unit, not this one, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We cancel this one. The answer we can use the calculator is 4. For the C for the to the mm, so it's 1 meter equals to 1,000 millimeter, and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and then it's 120 m divided 1h times 1,000 mm times 1 hour 60 minutes, and then we canceled everything for here 2,000. And for D, so this is 1 kilometers equals to 1000 meters, and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So it's 1m divide 1 minute times 1000 minutes. On the top is 1000 meters, and this 1 kilometers, and then with 60 minutes, and then it's 1 hour. Cancel the meters and the minutes, and the answer is 0.12. And for the last one is 1 kilometers equals to 1000 meter, and for this one is 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds, and then it's 72 km divided h times, and 1 km 1000 m times, and 1 h divides 3600 s. So we cancel km, we cancel the h, equals to 2/20. And for the last one, so it's 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, and then 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter, and 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds, and then it's 35 mm divided s equals to times 1000 mm water, and then times 1000 meters, 1 kilometer times 3 seconds, and 1 hour, and then we cancel, and the answer is 1, 2. Okay, this is today's part. If you have any questions, leave your comments. Thank you.